Hello, welcome back to my channel, my husband and my channel. Mostly me right now, but eventually he's still getting used to being on camera and stuff. Technically had a channel, my beauty channel, which I'm also doing grocery reviews on. I don't know, okay? Well, I changed the name, but it's just Bree Lee because that is my middle name and a lot of people call me Bree, except for my family. I don't know. I get called Bree by my husband, so. But my name is Brianna. It was Bree's Reviews. I changed it I think 30 times. I'm putting laundry away. This is what I do on my day off. My boss, who doesn't have kids, was like, "Oh, you can relax and stuff." I'm like, "Relax? What does that mean?" So I did take a nap because I had a headache, so that sucked. Found out my daughter has to have surgery, my youngest, so I was like, okay. And then I was with her this morning. So now I'm putting away laundry just so I can get something done. I wanted to get more done. Does anybody have that when you're like, oh my God, I'm going to get so much stuff done. And then it's like, yeah, we'll see about that. That's how my morning was. I tried to go to USPS okay, so starting this off. So we have one of those steamers, the stain removers. And on Halloween, I come home and the entire box is soaked. So that was fun. The cap was bent and slightly on, but I'm so to deal with that while people were coming over and stuff. And I'm like, oh my God. And then, so I went to go return it. At first it was oh, you can't return it. I'm like, what? Or you get a refund or something. So then they're like, oh, we'll mail it back. I'm like, it's leaking. So we were able to kind of fix it, even though it's still kind of leaking. So it's been in a box, but I tried to go to, I thought it was at USPS. No, it's at UPS. Then someone's like, oh, you can go to the Staples over there who has USPS. Try going over there. They're like, oh no, it says Amazon returns, but we don't do that Amazon return. She scanned it and it said oh no, you have to do it at an actual USPS store. I'm like, doesn't it say right there? I'm like, Amazon returns? Yeah, but not that one. I'm like, okay. So I wasn't really feeling very well. So I was like, I'm just going to go home and lay down. So that's what I did. I never get to do that. So, my day off when I'm home alone, that's what I'm doing. And then I took some Advil for my headache because I was just ugh. So I wanted to do all this stuff. I am getting laundry done. So, got to be positive. I am getting something done because it's going to be a crazy weekend. You never know how kids are going to be. So we are going to a birthday party tomorrow. But at least I'm getting stuff done. I'm leaving the dresses out here because I'm going to hang them up in their closet. Hang up in my little one's closet. I'm in my little one's room right now. So I separate the clothes. I'm trying to get stuff done. These are from yesterday. I know. I don't do day of because these came from last night. So I'm not on a very good, we're trying to get on a laundry routine, but it just depends on the night. My little one has been having issues. She's always had issues falling asleep. We've been giving her melatonin, which I didn't even know was a thing, but apparently you can give it to them as kids. But yeah, even then it doesn't really knock her out. Whenever I've taken melatonin, I'm out in 20 minutes. I don't really have problems sleeping. Speaking of which, my husband, I got him Beam because I've seen so many sponsorships, which I think I'm going to do an entire video on all the sponsorships that I've fallen for and ones my reviews and stuff, because I don't think some people give the most honest reviews. I'm sorry, but some stuff I'm I say is worth it, and then other stuff I'm I don't think so. So I have not subscribed or I've canceled. So my husband can vouch for that. The linen closet needs some low work. I say that about everything, but I'm you know what? I'm not starting this right now because if I start this, then I don't get other things done. So I'm not doing that right now. I'm not having an ADHD moment where this is a weekend project. Some stuff I'm no. Because then once I started, it's half finished, and then we have a bunch of things that are half finished. ADHD thing that I have. Is anyone else like that? And I am diagnosed, by the way. I'm not one of those people that's oh my God, I have ADHD, but I've never been diagnosed. No, I got diagnosed at 5. So, and I am on medication, but I'm not perfect. I do get like overwhelmed. Oh my God, this hair. This needs help. So I got rid of all the plastic ones because they were just dingy, and like now you just have the plastic lids, and then we have these are for cookies, which we don't microwave. So trying not to microwave like stuff that comes in plastic. Trying. Making the kids lunch, putting a pita in for Liv. My little one, she is 3. And then I'm gonna do a peanut butter and jelly for my oldest, who is 5 in kindergarten. And I'm packing some carrots for Livy. And then also some peppers. She loves bell peppers. Hello. Told us we don't pack her enough food. I'm like, my kid eats like a lot of this before, so I got that plastic done, and then I'm gonna cut up some grapes. And then Aria, I'm gonna do like the peanut butter and jelly. I got this new grain bread. It doesn't look too healthy. I'm gonna get back into making my own bread. I only made a couple loaves, but then I fell out of it. But this has 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, 19 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar. So this includes 2 grams of added sugar and 100 calories per slice. Vegan. It has wheat, so and it has barley and stuff, so it's definitely not gluten free. But it has 7 sprouted. It's the 7 sprouted whole grain bread. I got this from my Misfits. It's the Imperfect Foods. There's no seeds and stuff. I don't know. She's just in that mode where she's like, "Ow, gross! It looks too healthy." So she told me that. She's like, "Mom, remember that one time you got white bread?" I'm like, which I grew up with, you know, sourdough and stuff, but I am a more like organic kind of mama. She's vegan when she's with me, but she's not vegan with her dad. So you're not going to see any meat or anything like that in my kids' lunch. And they don't have like a microwave or anything, so they can't. I try not to do things that are microwavable. Yeah, we're tag teaming today. Per usual, my hubby and I. Now I'm going to organize all my pills so I don't have to do this every week. We're getting stuff done. Don't judge. This helps me a lot so that I don't have to get these out every day. It adds up, especially when I'm like short on time. So I got my allergy, my stimulant prescription, I'm diagnosed, and antidepressants and acid reflux. Talk to your doctor. I'm not saying what I take because, yeah, I'm prescribed, except for my allergy, just Genexa or whatever. I don't even know if it really works. And then you do like a Flonase. Personally, I think the brand name works better, but. And then I take Nexium, also over the counter, for my acid reflux. But this saves me time. And then I need to wash my makeup brushes really, really bad. My cats are playing with tissue paper. Made my lunch. I have to get my makeup brushes. But I'm eating a challah or challah bagel, delicious, with 2 avocados and some green grapes, as well as spinach, and then like some snacks and stuff. It's the next day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more organized, but that is just my little, I don't know, I guess weekend in my life of cleaning and doing stuffs. This is my puppy Stella. You're not a puppy, but you're my baby. This is disgusting. It's her like saliva and stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. You're going to see more of this beautiful face. Like and subscribe. Bye.